Thank you so much for clicking this video. And today we have conducted one activity that can build our audience and our learners to think directly into English. When it comes to speak Hindi to English translation, so here there is one gap. When somebody is asking to you question, at that time you translate into your mind, then you give answer. So it loses your fluency. But when it comes to speak directly English to English, so there we need to do some of the activities that can boost your confidence, your directly English thinking. So that is why I'm going to invite one by one on the stage, and this is not pre-planned. I will be asking any question. The title is defined, that is about English language, the importance of English. Maybe I can derail on my topic as well, because they will give another answer, so I will be having questions regarding that answer as well. So I'm going to call, who would like to come first? Who would like to come first? Okay, so please, Danish, come on the stage and let's see. So just as we can see, and Mr. Danish, and he is sitting here. First of all, can you give your brief introduction?
My name is Mohammed Danish. I would like to say thank to my teacher and thank to all of you giving me wonderful opportunity. Today I am going to discussing on the topic English, and my name is Mohammed Danish. अब आप पूछिए.
Now, Mr. Danish, just already you have said that we are going to discuss about English language. Let me know and tell me, who told you to learn English language? So you are learning from your side, or your parents, or somebody else? This is your desire or someone else?
This is my desire.
So you want to learn?
Yes.
Okay, that's very nice. So you come here every day. So let me know which activity you like most doing in English.
Which activity?
So like we have debate, we have public speaking, we have speech. So which activity you like most?
Debate.
Debate activity.
Yeah, but I am not trained right now. Lekin inshallah, after some time I trained.
Okay, very nice. Now, Mr. Danish, tell me, what kind of difficulties right now you are facing while learning English? Actually, you are also learning, so let me know that those who are watching this video, they can also understand what kind of difficulties and challenges initially we are facing to learn English language.
I don't understand.
Like right now you are learning English, so what kind of challenges, difficulties, problems you are facing right now to learn English language?
First of all, you need to learn English. Every people. Then when you learn English, you facing very problems. First of all, you need to read English.
Okay.
If you don't read English,
yes,
you can't learn English.
Okay.
And secondly, you need to learn structure, verbs, and many vocabularies.
Okay.
If you don't learn many things, you can't speak English and learn English.
Okay. Now tell me, how much confidence important while speaking English, and knowledge and confidence, how much importance?
Confidence is very important.
How much?
How much?
For example, you want to deliver a speech on the stage, so and although you have prepared, like you have practiced, right? You have practiced, but you don't have confidence. So can you think that, and do you think that you can deliver a speech on the stage?
Yes, if I have confidence, I deliver a speech on the stage.
Okay. And if you don't have confidence, can you deliver?
If I have no confidence, I cannot deliver a speech. If I ready my speech, then not I delivering a speech on the stage.
Okay. Now one more question, then I will be inviting the next person. Right now you are learning English. So